Hello everyone. In this video I'll teach you about mail merge. What is mail merge? Mail merge is a kind of process where we can send a single letter to many persons. So here I almost typed a letter, and first I will go to the mailing theme in MS Word, and the first step will be start mail merge. सबसे पहले start mail merge में later options को click करूँगा. Then it will be come in the mode of mail merge. Okay, now I'll go to the next step. It is select recipient. In this there is a first step, type a new list. यहाँ पे type a new list पे click करूँगा, and now you see there is a new dialog box will be open, that is new address list dialog box. Okay, in this box I'll click customize column. As I have in this letter 4 name, address, mobile and email, then I'll click on customize and I'll take only 4 field, and rest of them I'll delete. सबको डिलीट कर दूंगा मैं, सिर्फ 4 फील्ड ही रखूंगा जैसा कि मेरे लेटर में आपको दिख रहे हैं. Now I rename the field as per my letter. Select and rename. Name. That's okay. Select and rename. Select and press rename. Select and press rename. So as I have 4 field name in this letter, name, address and mobile and email, so I have made 4 field name, address, mobile and email in the table form. Now I will insert the name of those people that I am going to invite. मैं अब उन लोगों के नाम डालूंगा जिनको मुझे invite करना है. जैसे suppose Arav, okay, address Nagod, mobile whatever you insert, and email address ebc@gmail.com. This way I can insert new field also by clicking new entry. So as I have already made a list by the name of invitations, so once you have made, just press OK. आपको OK प्रेस करना, फिर आपको इस टेबल का नाम सेव करने के लिए बोलेगा. So I have made test, but I'll not use it. I'll use invitation list जो मैंने पहले से बना रखी है. मैंने इसको टेस्ट नाम से सेव किया, ठीक है. Now it's saved. Now I'll go to the second step, select recipient and use an existing list, and I'll take invitation list. इसमें मैंने ज़्यादा नाम डाल रखे हैं इन्विटेशन देने वाले के लिए. जो भी मैं इन्विटेशन दूंगा उनके नाम मैंने डाल रखे हैं. Okay, now you can see some buttons are highlighted like insert merge field. So when I click this one, it will show the name of those fields which I have made in the table form. Okay, the table is called database. The table is called database or data source. So here I will take first one in front of name that is in letter. यहाँ पे मैंने ये name के आगे name डाल दिया. Second, I'll go to the address. Third, I'll go to the mobile. Fourth, I'll go to the email. So this way I have inserted these 4 names. Now you can see this is only a single letter. This is only a single letter. Now I'll click on preview result. Now I will click on preview result. So once I click, it will show the first record that is on table. उस डेटा सोर्स में जो पहला नाम है टेबल के अंदर वो शो हो जाएगा. अगर मुझे सेकंड नेम पे जाना है तो आई क्लिक ऑन नेविगेशन बटन. नेक्स्ट रिकॉर्ड विनय, नेक्स्ट रिकॉर्ड विनय, नेक्स्ट रिकॉर्ड दीपक. तो आई हैव 4 रिकॉर्ड इन दैट टेबल. ओके, now one by one I can insert and I'll take printout. Okay, this is the first way you can take printout of for each people this invitation card. Okay, आपको ये invitation अगर हर एक व्यक्ति के लिए अलग अलग प्रिंट करना है तो just click on these next and previous button and you can take print out. Okay, पहले राम के लिए ले लिया, फिर विनय के लिए ले लिया प्रिंट आउट. और if you want all the letters in these one document in a separate page, then you will click on the final button, that is finish and merge button. Click on edit individual and press OK. Once you click, now you can see the 4 letter will be copied separately for 4 people. Okay, so this way we can apply mail merge function in MS Word software. Okay, so that is all about this mail merge function. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.